Jamaican Shore Fishing, welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you guys for joining, and remember to smash that like button as you come in the room, guys. Big up yourself. We're doing some night fishing tonight, linked up with subscribers ready to throw some line tonight, guys. So we're about to get some snappers tonight and just get busy. So let's see what we can pick up tonight. Nothing's guaranteed. We've been having some bad weather lately, as you've seen from my past videos. Water's been rough, so hopefully we can grab something tonight. So stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing, we are out here. All right, guys, lines are set, ready, geared up. I'm gonna do the first cast out, alarm these things up, and get ready for that bite. Stay tuned. In the line, right, yo? Boom bang. In the line, right? Yeah, here we go. Cool. Another one out. No, you good. Just stay right there. That's why I use high visibility line, so you can see my line at night. Yeah, guys, so we're using shrimp tonight. I don't know what we're gonna pick up, but let's see what's up. I've been getting a few picks. I know they're going with that damn bait already. I'm gonna peel some more bait just in case. Should have been roasting these up. Especially at night. Nights, drop line fishing is good. Yeah. I don't know what you want to do. Anything. I don't like about food. Yeah. I don't like about food. Okay, cool. Yeah, man, that's awesome, bro. Yeah, that is it. Fishing license now. Then change the ID. Then change the ID then now. Probably. Change it. How we look. Oh, you have a new one. Yeah, I've got a new one. Yeah. Alright, manners, bro. Take care. Yeah, Jerry, I didn't think I'm lying. I'm not going to party and something. Neither do I anymore. No. I used to be a DJ. I used to be a selector on the song. I used to play here at Pier 1 and other places. I still play at Pier 1 on the beach. This line's in again. Bait them most likely gone. First one I set was this one, right? Yeah. I'm sure you say he's gone. Don't worry about it. Shit happens. Twist is wrong. So once you go on a winding, once you lift that weight, commit and just start bringing it in right away. Oh, just lift it and bring it right away. And start winding. Don't stop until that line comes in, because if you let it drop, it's going to drop between rocks and stuff and get stuck. And it's stuck, yeah. So that on the line then I look like. I wait for this make it twist, man, but this was on it, it wasn't moving. But I'm going to gas that in case it gets something really big. The thing is that we're not losing weights, and that's a good thing. So what I do, fishing weights, the lead. Okay, the lead. Okay, no. Yeah, I have a whole bunch of lead. I make these things. I know I struggle. I come here for work tomorrow, but definitely like to explore, bro. You'll get fish tonight if the snappers are running. Yeah, guys, so it looks like we got a fish on this thing. Here. Felt like it. Big. Yeah, but at least.
side.
No, bro, we throwing this back.
Oh man, we can't throw back this.
This is a baby fish, bro.
We will take this then, Jerry. We will take this.
No, bro, this is a baby, bro. You can't keep this, bro. You can't do that, bro. That's a sin, bro. Look at this small baby. He's not even handsome, bro. Come on. This is no good. Look. Very, very small. Yo, I'm catching snappers up to here, bro.
Yo, man, listen to it.
Oh, listen. Yeah, but that's a baby. We all right. What happened is,
What's it true?
you have to understand, sir.
Me not use it. Me not really use it.
We have to protect the breed, bro.
Yeah.
Because if you kill off all the babies, you don't have nothing grow to go big. I'm catching 10-pound snappers, bro.
What's that?
I'm catching monster fish off of shorelines. Just, yo, listen, me know. Practice make perfect, and if all of us as Jamaicans practice this, you'd have a lot more fish.
Some guys want to throw about that.
No, we don't practice that, bro. And then now you have a fishing license, you have an obligation, my brother.
Yeah, man.
You do. You know what I'm saying? Because now you've invested into that, so you have to
see how interesting it be, Jerry. You me link first.
And went ahead and got your fishing license. Now you can go on any boat, anywhere.
Funny thing is, we never use a rod yet.
All right, so now I'm going to show you how to cast it out. Let me do it on the next one. Totally forgot. Yeah, that was a little fish. When a big fish hit the line, trust me, bro, you're going to know.
Jerry, when I watch your page, I'm see one fish.
Big fish hit the line right there, my brother. Damn. Bring that line like a foot off the tip where the swivel is, and then you'll bring the reel up in the air, the bail. You gotta come out the light. Then you're gonna come like this with your finger onto the rail, unlock the bail, unlock the bail. See? The fish just hit it. Fish just hit that a while ago. Good fish just hit that a while ago. Good fish. You want fishing?
What about this one? One can't go on.
He's good.
Can't go on.
Let me see. Yeah. You can get him. I'm not gonna put this on the video. Yo guys, we just got a snapper a while ago. Look at that. Alright? We'll get this guy back. Stay tuned. Yo, these guys are hitting tonight. So, we're out here tonight, guys. Night fishing. And get some bait on the line here, getting baited up. And we'll cast out again. Stay tuned. Can't get the other lines out at all, bro. By the time I drop this in, something hit it. Alright, I'm gonna get everything out quick. See that? So what happened is when you cast out, you get that whip thing. You understand? Yeah, like a whip. But what you don't want to do is whip and hook somebody behind you.
Oh no.
You see my last video?
Really?
Oh, see, look at this. I didn't even get to put it in the sand yet. Oh, you can't even touch the shrimp.
No, we can't touch it, you know. But I have to remember, so we can't really.
Put your hands in your mouth.
Or my eye. What's the
Nah,
going
don't
on
touch
my
it,
eye,
bro.
Jerry?
Don't touch it, bro. I don't want you to be out here and then catch an allergic reaction.
No, but I have to go touch it because remember, we have to go buy gloves. Then.
When you're fishing, then you.
Yeah, when we are fishing.
Yeah.
When we are fishing.
Get another 2 piece hooked on here. Yeah. I'm gonna put out those lines first.
Yeah, that I'm going to visit. I just get here in Nigeria. I just learn me and learn. No hurry to figure out nothing. Just watch and see what. Now when I get my rod now, I just want to say yes.
Let's get this one out first.
My son love it too, you know, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. My son
That's
at 12,
good.
you know.
That's something good that you and your son can do together.
Yeah, man.
Activities that you guys can share together. Alright guys, stay tuned. We got everything set up. Got them built up. Ready to go again. Stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. It looks like we got a fish on the big line, but something small again, guys. That we're gonna probably catch and release. Give me a second. Let me watch yourself. See how far it dropped? See, the thing is that you gotta make sure you get this alarm off so you don't get caught in the line when you're reeling up. So, we're going to rocks down here. Oh, I caught my other line. Yeah guys, I have a little issue down there. Yeah guys, we got knotted up in another line down there and I have to be trying to get this other line loose right now because I'm in trouble with this. Hold on a second guys. Let me get this line up.
Guys, so this is oh, take off a fish, right?
No man, just put it
All right.
Put him in that rod stand, man.
Yeah, man. This is all I drop out.
Yeah, guys. I got a fish and he's still stuck on the damn hook. I didn't even take the damn fish off yet, guys. Oh, damn. He hooked. You got a snapper. So we're hanging out with a subscriber tonight, guys. Right, Christopher, guys. Christopher's here with us today, and we're getting ready to cast out again. So we had a mishap where the rod stand kept on spinning on us and giving us a hard time, guys. We'll get some more shrimp out. Get this right around so you guys can see what's happening here. Turn my headlight off. Yeah. You guys get a better view instead of me shining the light in your face. Yeah, we're doing some drop line fishing. I'm trying to pick up something decent tonight, but water's still kind of rough. Waves smacking my rigs around. I gotta get a heavier weight out here. Out real quick. See if I can get him as far as I can get it. Good distance. Hopefully I get a final good hit on this damn rod. What's up, Norman?
Man, I just getting off work. Crazy work hours today.
Yeah. I worked today for a little bit.
Yeah.
Getting hit by some little small ones. Yeah. Oh, the rod? Yeah. Okay. got something on the yellow rod, guys. Let's see what it is. I lost one of these down here someplace.
Yeah, whatever.
Not that one. I don't feel like it. Nothing never that one. The young Ghana's rotted boy.
Where you to bed?
Shrimp. Gonna go out again, guys. And that bitch to China. Hey, one day I did this and I was putting the alarm on and the big fish hit the line, bro. Scared the living hell out of me, man. Almost pulled the rod out of my hand.
Take a look at it.
What's that?
That casting.
Bro, you give me something in my hand. Do it again.
I don't think you have no bait left, bro. Still there?
Yeah, he's on it. He's on it. I'm getting a fight tonight, bro. Oh, yeah, he's on it. You got away with my bait.
One angry fish or a bumpy fish.
That is a very hungry fish. Oh, one I bait in that this one, you know.
You bought up the lower one.
You got up top one.
Eh?
Top one, bat up, same way.
Eh?
Take off the lower one and bat up the top one. It's patience with this, you know.
No, I know that more than anybody else right here.
Yo, no man, I only somebody where catch fish here, so.
Eh?
No man, I only somebody where catch big fish here, so. Now man, full up in cooler here, so. Now man, start fish right here, so. Right now with we. Now man, start catching fish. You hear what I'm saying, bro? You be sitting here all friggin' night and not catch a damn thing, and now man, come here, so control the line and catch fish. Call now man the Pier 1 specialist.
You give her a name, eh? No people want to see
Pier 1 specialist, boy. Now come to now man, look here, so.
This a line at the loan I get picked.
The other one, them now don't bait pan him, man, that's why.
Oh. Actually, I see them still like water.
Nah, where you say now, man? Yeah, come. Let me see your new rod now. Let me show the viewers them Norman new toy. Yo, guys, Norman brought me new toys to play with. Look at this. Ooh, Sweet Daddy T. It feels so light. It feels like I could cast lure with this all day long, guys. Yeah, go on now, man. You like it. It balance. Has that balance to it.
Sweet.
Yeah. I like it. It's nice, guys. Norman new setup. New lure setup. He's gonna get out there with his cast king, do some killing. So stay tuned for that. Norman's gonna be in the videos with me soon on the lure fishing. We'll be doing miles. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah, shore fishing. Big up to Special K. I was just on Special K's live a while ago. Jumped on there on my phone real quick, dropped her some support, and then came back and reset my line. And they're going off already. So, me and Christopher's out, subscriber, and he's here. And we're dropping some line, guys, so stay tuned. Big up yourself. And definitely stay tuned. Lines are getting hit, but they're small fish. They're nothing big hitting them yet.
Yeah. This guy's another one is on. Yeah, we'll catch one. He's out there already. See this one?
Fish on, guys. Look at this.
This one.
Ooh. Fish on, guys.
Yeah.
Snapper. Look at this, guys. Look at this snapper, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Ha ha. Rap, rap.
Jerry.
Killer.
That's the main idea to start. Actually, you know, look at them. I appreciate man, you just have me around, man. Believe me, I tell you the truth. I appreciate it.
Yeah, guys. So Christopher's going home with a nice sniper for him and his son tonight.
Yeah, man. Yes, guys.
Look at that. Outside. Got it.
That's a nice one. Yeah, this is all a nice man. Yeah. This one is nice, Jerry. Last year sometime, man. I tell you the truth. What? Me watch you know. I mean, I say. Trust issues, but Jerry, I understand everything I say, trust me. I can't tell you over and over, so I appreciate that you have me around, you know? But Jerry, actually, you don't know what this means to me right now.
Nice size fish,
Yeah,
bro.
slide, where's the sliding? Oh, fine. Not even me not good. This is a nice size one, Jerry, man. Yeah? I left my woman to see this alright, though. I scream, no? Oh, you find it? Yeah. You're beer, bench one. Oh, you're a beer, though. My son see them something. Love fishing.
Jamaican shore fishing. Scored. That was a nice snapper.
No, definitely. Nice. That's a dinner size. Oh man. Very. Imagine how me I go on for this and compare to what me see.
Compared to what you see me catch?
See, Mr. Last night me I go through. That's a lot. Jerry. I don't know if that's how you're thing when you serious.
When it comes to the food,
Eh?
I take it serious when it comes to the
No, but there's someone, and I said, alright, when you see me go for my lights, you must know. Yeah, you must know. So me ready. Me just want somebody who me know me there around and who me can. Who me just know say yes.
Out there, guys.
That's all me I'm gonna do. I just fishing.
Alright, Jamaican shore fishing. Stay tuned. Next epic adventure. I mean, it's been a night, guys. Hooked up on some fish tonight, and that's what we came out for. And make sure you hit that, smash that like button and share the video out, guys. Alright? So we can build a little dividend to make more content for you guys. But stay tuned, guys. Let's see what else we can hook up for the night. And bless up yourself and thank each and every one of you outside. Guys. Little fellow, he's gut hooked though. He's not gonna survive that one, unfortunately.
Oh, a snapper you call him?
Yeah, this is a mutton snapper, but he's gut hooked. You can't save him. He's gut hooked all the way down. Nothing I can do to save him. He's hooked in his
Yeah, throw him back.
I can't throw him back. He's gonna die.
So I'm just eating.
Hey guys, so battery on this camera is about to die, guys. Bait's done. One shrimp left. So thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing tonight, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys, and see you on the next video. Bless up yourself. Thank you for joining me on this night fishing adventure, snapper hunting. We are out here.